Here's a video of my charcoal maker. It's basically a cone retort, or I guess you'd call it. I put on a 3-point hitch so I can move the thing with my tractor. Looking down the inside, you can see it narrows down to the bottom, and there's a little slide gate in here. I'll open it up. That allows the finished charcoal to exit the bottom. There's just a little lever on here that moves it, and I built a little box in the front here where the charcoal drops into, and I can shovel it out of there into the barrel. So I will start it up and we'll see how this all works. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5.5 piles of brush here that are maybe 6 feet diameter, 3 feet high, and this is what I'll be using to make my charcoal with. I start over here with a few sticks in the bottom, and I'll pour a little gasoline on there and light that off, and as soon as that burns down to coals, then I start throwing the sticks in. Okay, it's about 7:15. I just threw a match in there and started lighting the little sticks in the bottom. So we'll let that go down a little bit, and then we'll start throwing twigs in. There's something about the cone shape that got enough concentrated heat that it burns the smoke all up. There's just no smoke. I like that. Okay, the last of the fire is dying down, and I'm going to start taking it out. Okay, we'll open the valve here. Last night when it got dark, I had about 3 of the 5.5 piles of twigs burnt into charcoal, and as it got dark, the last video shows dumping into the container, and I shoveled it into this barrel, and it's the 3rd ring down, so that's about 18 gallons in there. And I forgot to mention what time I quit, but it was 9:15, so it was about 2 full hours for 18 gallons, a little less than 10 gallons an hour, but that worked pretty good. Now I use the same retort. I got a screen that fits on top here, and I shovel the charcoal into that screen and shake it, and it falls back down into the bottom, and then I open that gate and I use the bottom for a finer screen. So I will show you how that works. Okay, here we go. I got 1 shovelful in here. Okay, there is 1 tray full of that charcoal, and it snaps up pretty nice, and I will put that now into that fiber barrel with a glass or a plastic lid on. So after 1 screening through this 1/4 inch screen, We got about 16 gallons of charcoal, 3/4 of an inch or less, down to about a quarter, and about a 5-gallon pail of smaller charcoal. Now I'm going to screen that through a window screen, and we will just get dust and 1/4 inch charcoal. So that's quite an easy operation. No grinding, and you use waste twigs, which everybody likes to either burn up or put them through a grinder. Thanks for watching.